Inside the scraper tool set, you have your female rod handle, your male rod handle. These attach together to attach the other components. This is your compact receiver brush. This is your star chamber locking lug scraper tool. This is a pick. This is a flat scraper used to scrape the flat surfaces. This is a bent pick to get in those hard to reach places. This is an end brush. It can be used as a paint brush to lubricate and oil the slides. And this is your pin punch to disassemble your weapon system. Using the pin punch, remove the pins. To clean the notches within the star chamber, you use your locking lug scraper tool. To disassemble the bolt carrier, you take the pick and remove the pin. And remove the firing pin. Then remove the bolt. The scraper can be used to clean the beveled edge of the bolt as well as the bolt face. The pick is also an ideal tool to clean the bolt face. Now we will remove the extractor pin. This is one of the most critical elements of the bolt.